Patrouillehonde is die gevaarlikste wapen in die arsenaal van die polisie se K9 eenheid. Netwerk 24 het die Rode Plaat K9 Akademie besoek. Dit is die enigste opleidingsfasiliteit in die land. 11 dissiplines word hier geleer, waaronder dwelmhonde, springstof, bloed- en semenhonde. Patrouillehonde en hulle halteerders word vir 120 dae lank opgelei. En hier is die byt erger as die blaf.
It is quite dangerous. That is why when you are going there, when we are standing, you need to stand and in a proper stand, because it might happen that you might fall and the dog will be on top of you. And if your head is not covered, then it might be dangerous. So there is a technique of standing so that the dog will be biting properly and not making some injuries to you.
You see out there, we've got a lot of cases like rapes and murders that are happening, and for us like to get like the suspect, sometimes we need DNA. So in most cases it's most difficult like to get DNA in a crime scene, like of a rape, like of a murder. So now we are using this dog like to detect like the blood and the semen in the crime scene.
Go around in the boat, sniffing around for any sort of deceased bodies. So the dog tends to react to that. They get conditioned and trained in picking up that specific scent. So as soon as they pick up that scent, they start going crazy, running around the boat, scratching onto the water. Some of the dogs dive into the water to actually pinpoint the location.
Die spoorhond het ook 'n rekord in die Guinness Books wat plaasgevind in 1925 waar Susan Kreer met sy hond Sauer, 'n Doberman Pinscher, 'n spoor gevolg het vir 160 km en daarna die verdagte gearresteer het.
Ek is Paulie van Wyk in Pretoria vir Netwerk 24.